How to find hidden chats on Viber. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Viber application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now let me show you by hiding a chat over here. So what you simply need to do is make a long press on a message over here and then tap on hide chat option. So you just have to enter a 4-digit PIN. So I'm going to enter 0123 and it's gone. So if you want to find this hidden chats on Viber, you can see there's no option over here. So what you can simply do is tap on the search bar at the top and search for that username. So here you'll be able to see. Next, what you can simply do is tap on the pin code. So I'm going to tap on the pin code and here you'll be able to see the hidden chats. So simply tap on the hidden chats, and if you want to unhide this chat, tap on the name of this profile. And here you can see the option of unhide this chat. So enter the pin again and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.